let's be clear. You do not need a website right away. Sometimes we like, I gotta wait till I get a website. Like I said earlier, I gotta wait till I get the LLC, EIN. I like standing here talking to y'all, so I could be loosey goosey. I'm in the kitchen. I was trying to see if I need a little more light. I'm good because I'm about to wrap it up anyway. But anyway, what I was saying is, you don't have to have everything to get started. You don't. Let's just go and add to it. Add to it. And then before you know, you got the whole dinner cooked. Okay? Yes, Deborah, I will be looking for you. Thank you again for your feedback, guys. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so I got to get that website a little bit tighter, and I'm going to roll it out. I'll let y'all know when I do. Sounds good. You got me hungry. I know, but, you know, between food and allergies and relationships, I mean, people understand that more than anything, right? Deborah says, does the notary business offer a website? We do not have a website that's included. We will help you build the website. If you want us to, we can build it for you. Not help you, we actually build it for you. It's just quicker. It's just quicker. I have some tips in there for you. In the Creators Club, in my new program, I do have a website course. That's for people who want to build it themselves. So I'll tell you right now, though, Deborah, what we do. So we'd be more than happy to help you with it. It is on notaryeducators.com. But what we recommend is using GoDaddy. Okay? A lot of people want to use Wix and WordPress and all these other things. And you can use those. Okay? You can. And there's even a free one with Google Sites. I think it's still free. Okay? But be cautious because you get what you pay for. And it's a nice site, but you got to know how to work it. GoDaddy is the most user-friendly. And now you can build the whole doggone thing with AI. So I'm getting into AI too a lot, guys. My new thing I'm doing over there on my new channel is a lot of AI because there's so many things you can do. People want to write courses. They want to write ebooks. And you may have the thought, but you don't have the whole word thing to put together. No worries. AI got you. Kimmi got you. Yeah, so you can build your website, though, with GoDaddy. You can start out with the simplest plan. You don't have to collect payments with them. You can just really like a billboard. That's what you can use a landing page. Now, the difference between a landing page and a website, really quick, because I had a landing page with Google forever, but it doesn't really get the traction that a website gets because the website is searchable. Your landing page is just that you landed there. Woo! Your website got you on the island and you doing a whole tour and everything. All right. Deborah says, that was the question that I was truly asking. Oh, yeah. So we will build it for you. Yep. We will build it for you. So the whole package is there on the website, notaryeducators.com. Yes, we can build it based on your notary business. You have a couple sessions that we meet with you. One in the beginning, and then you give us all your requirements, your colors, your pictures, and everything. And then we'll give it back to you. We'll do like another handoff. And the reason we recommend GoDaddy is because if you don't want to maintain it, which we recommend you learning a little bit about it so you can maintain it yourself. And that's part of why I've not moved my websites or anything anywhere, because I need to be able to maintain myself. If I got to change something, I don't want to pay somebody every time I get ready to make a change. So with GoDaddy, though, you learn just your basics. You should be able to maintain it because you won't be having that many changes typically. Once you get your website set up, you ain't got to change like I do. Now I have to make more changes because I got to change out the schedule every month for notary educators. I got to change out if I offer a new product, if I upload a new whatever, you know. So, but typically the average person won't have to change so much. So once we build it for you, you good to go. Okay. So you can look at that at notaryeducators.com and we will help you build the website. But GoDaddy, what I was going to say is that they have 24-hour customer service. So, for example, as you're learning it, say, for example, we build it for you, we give it to you, you decide, I want to add such and such. Well, we don't mind a one-off, especially if you're in mentorship, you just drop it in the chat. Hey, guys, how do I change this? And we all got you, right? Because most of us are using GoDaddy because that's what we recommend. It's just easier. So we'll walk you through it as a group, something basic. But other than that, call GoDaddy because they got 24-hour customer service. It's included, and they're very nice. Very nice. I've never really had a problem with them. Well, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Y'all got any more questions? Because we got a few people that just joined. I hate to leave when we got so many. So what other, and thank you for all the feedback, guys. Y'all coached me today. And I appreciate the feedback. I really do. So I'm getting ready to roll that out. But I will show, oh, I put it up. I'll show you later. Because I already put that up. But y'all can look on the website and see the journals and stuff. Any last minute questions? Because I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. This was very productive for myself too. I got coached by the community. Thank you guys. Each one teach one. Anything else? Bye, Eriberto. See you soon. You're welcome. Anything else before I get out of here? Yeah, one more second. Deborah says, thank you so much for explaining how things are done. Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure. My pleasure. And we got some cute websites being built. I ain't gonna lie. Alexis does our websites. Alexis is our other trainer. And she does most of the Google pages, helping people get their Google page set up. She'll have a session with you on that. We have a course. But once you do the course and you still feel like, you know what, I want somebody to actually do it for me, she'll do it for you. So she's very good at that. And very quick. Like usually a 3-day turnaround on your website. Yep. Guys, we got so many people. If y'all got some questions, let's go. Let's go. Yolanda, you're welcome, Yolanda and Deborah. You guys are so welcome. And Stephanie, everybody, thank you all for hanging out today, for real. It's been my pleasure as always. All things notary, notaryeducators.com. Again, if you're looking for a single course, the mystery shopping or anything, you can use coupon code Friday, even though it's Saturday. Coupon code Friday for 70% off, okay? And that's off of all the courses, not the mentorship. Mentorship is only $27 or $47, so I'm not going to discount that. Nope. But the individual courses, you own them forever. 70% off, coupon code Friday. Okay? All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. On behalf of Notary Educators with Coach Kimmi, it's been my pleasure. I wish you all a great day, okay? Much success to you. Bye.